Well, see ya, Hummingbird Point for now. We hope to come back, and hopefully nobody will be there after we go to Quartzsite.
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
Oh boy!
With the mobs.
Tons of Q funds.
Yep. But we're looking forward to seeing old friends and meeting new friends.
Yes.
So
Gonna be a good time.
Yes. First we have to go and dump tanks at the Chevron where we always go. And then we head up to Quartzsite, and then we get water, and then we try and find a spot to stay. We're probably going to end up spoondocking somebody. It's kind of hard not to.
Yeah, exactly. This time of year in Quartzsite, everybody's kind of close together.
Yep, it's just how it is, and we're expecting it. We've enjoyed our very nice peace and quiet out here. So
It's been very relaxing.
well, we're arriving in Quartzsite. There's La Posa South. Pretty crowded. Generally is, because that's the area that has the services that dump water and garbage. And I think this is Tyson Wash over here. Yeah, La Posa, Tyson Wash. Drove by Roadrunner and it didn't look too busy.
No, it really didn't.
It didn't. So we'll see how it is up further. Well, we're getting close to La Posa North and La Posa West, and you can see the tent from here. Entering Quartzsite. Along with thousands and thousands of your closest friends. So there's a lot more people here than was here in December before Christmas when we were here last. Lots and lots of people. A lot of people park up here because they can just walk over to the tent. So there's a lot of people there.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Keene Street.
Queuing. So first thing we need to do is get water. Wow, this is empty.
Still don't have it open.
Oh. We still haven't opened up this RV park. We thought that they would have had it open in time for this busy season. So here we are at Tumbleweed to hopefully get some water. When we came in December, it was $10 for water. It had gone up $5. Well, we got to the water and dump station just in time.
Yeah.
Because a bunch of rigs came in right after us. So now we head over to Scat and Wash and see if we have a spot. Or if we need to adjust our plans and go somewhere else. Clear. So this time getting water, it was $5, but the dump cost went up for us. Look at the line now. Maybe that's a good sign. Maybe it means that people are leaving and that we'll have a spot, right?
That would be nice.
That would be nice.
If we have
It is Sunday morning.
our
so,
spot.
yeah, we want our spot. But we'll see.
Actually, we just rent from Dave from our endeavor. It's his spot.
Yeah. Yes. It's Dave's spot. But we have become annual tenants of the Dave Anderson area, our Endeavor area.
Yeah.
So, all right. Well, let's see how it goes. This road is nice. They redid this part. They were doing this in December when we were here. Well, here is the side entrance of Skadden Wash. And all these vehicles here are really not supposed to be on this side of a sign that's up there.
Yeah, it says no camping.
So it's obvious that they're not enforcing it or checking.
And it's obvious that it's really busy where we want to go, probably.
Probably. So we'll see. It's actually not that prime of a spot because it's...
What is?
Our spot.
Our spot. Okay.
Yeah, because it is along the road where the power lines are. So it's not like it's, you know, the prime spot. We like it there.
It's convenient for us.
Yes. We like being in town. We thought about staying out further. However, if we come into town, our rig is far away, especially if we're by ourselves somewhere. And
we don't like to leave the dog.
Or the cat. Yeah, I don't like leaving Kaylee for that length of time either, far away.
When we're that far.
When we're that far. Yeah. So.
All right, here we go.
Here we go.
I see the cactus.
I see the cactus too.
I see tons of RVs.
Well, we'll see how it goes. If not, we'll just pick another spot for a while until people leave, right?
Yes, I have my
Patience pants on?
patience pants on.
Good. Very good.
Yes, I do.
Very good. Yep, we got to the dump station this morning and that was all clear. Nobody else was there. Then we just got water quickly. Took about 20 minutes. And now to park in a site.
Yeah,
Looks like
there's rigs in our site.
okay, well, we're gonna drive up here and just see who is where. It's hard to tell unless we drive up to it. So once we get up there and if we see that it's got people, we'll just have to go find somewhere else.
Yeah, there's a whole big circle in there. They got flags up and everything.
Oh yeah, there's people in our spot.
That's exactly what I saw from down there.
Yep, there's definitely people there. Well, crappy doo-doo. See, we're usually here before all the big tent people come.
By now, we've usually been here in Quartzsite 2 full weeks.
That's true, we have. These are the people that are normally over behind us because they've got the LA Dodgers thing. This is the group that's normally over here. Damn. Well, Dave, we got to find somewhere else. Lots to find somewhere else to go. Wow, it's a big group. Okay, so the hunt is on. We'll find somewhere. Well, we've made it to Quartzsite. We are at Skadden Wash, however, our spot is over there where that great big huge crowd is. They're usually next to us, but they overtook our site this time. So that's okay. We found a different spot for now, but look at this. Lots of people. Internet is not good. And it's gonna be noisy. We're right by the road, closer to the road than we normally are. And then we got this little buggy road right here. But it's Quartzsite in January during the big tent, which is straight over there. I don't know if you can see the steeple. And then just to the left of it is the tent. I can do it with my other camera. This is the GoPro. So here we are. And we are waiting for Dave and Dawn to come and be by us. So I don't know if they're getting here today. I think tomorrow. I know Dave is tomorrow. I don't know when Dawn is coming. So lots of people here with thousands of your closest friends.
So we're here and we're parked for a little while anyway. Hey, it's not a bad little site. You always have to have a plan B because the plans are written in the sand. That's the way we always think and what we always say. We got a decent little spot here and it's just waiting for our friends, our endeavors, Dave, and Cowboy Biker Adventures, Don. All right, they'll be here tomorrow. And keep watching, make sure you subscribe, and then click the notification bell. Get notified when we put up a new video. This week from Quartzsite, we'll have some extra videos Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And probably one of those is going to tell you when we're going to have our little get-together at our site. All right? So make sure you stay tuned. Have fun in Quartzsite. See ya.
Take your banner and raise it to the sky.